Make sure you have enough .4 brake fluid in there. Oh, it is kind of full. So for bleeding you will need some sort of bowl or whatever else where you can collect all the oil. Then of course if you have a friend, you're lucky if you know, you can use good old board what kind of fits there, and kind of hold the pedal here, because the thing what you will need to do, you need to press how many times the pedal, or 3-4 times. Then you have to hold it with your board, and you have to open this wall and wait bubbles come out, close the wall, and then release the pedal and press it again, and repeat the process a few times. Well, I will just show you how I will do it. So first I will just take away this and press the brake a couple times. Okay, then I take this and then I just press the pedal down like that, and get all this. See, it may be not perfect, but it still gives a lot better than nothing. And I go here and I open the wall here by just 11 socket. You'll not. Well, let's wait till everything comes out. This will just drop inside there because I already see where the oil before it dropped. So when it's done, you just close the wall and repeat the process a couple more times, or even more. Oh, I opened this quite a bit, and you can do it without any special tools like that. Then remove the board and press the pedal again. It's rather tight now. Just check this out. Okay, now let's open the wall. But you don't see the bubbles because it's problematic for me, as I don't have 11 of these ones, but probably there are some bubbles. And then just close this again and repeat maybe 3 more times or 4 more times until you feel that there are no bubbles. Well, you don't see bubbles. And after you've done this completed, make sure you have enough oil here. But you filled my up, so probably I'll not have any problems here. I don't think that there will be so much oil coming out. Okay. So guys, I just started the car, and maybe this will help me to bleed faster, because before nothing happened. Not good. No. Let's see. With the help of this, it will get faster. Oh yeah, you can see already a lot better stream out there than before. Yeah, and you see it's already a lot better. I cannot move it anymore, and probably that's good. And there is no air bubbles also, that's good. Probably it's already nice and good. Okay, I'll do this one more time. But as you, I'm doing this with engine on, so I have extra force for my brakes, not just my manual strength, but also by the car itself. And well, let's do it the last time. Here, put this under there. Let's go and check how it's going on here. Now see no air bubbles coming out, that's good. I can say that this is done here. Now I'll put back the tire and we'll see how it works. Finished bleeding, make sure that there's enough oil here left. Well, as I see, there I have still some oil left, enough for my needs, but I will just put some extra more anyway, just in case. Yeah, one more thing. Well, first you need to find this little cap. I kinda somewhere put it, but where? That's a good question. For the bleeding wall. Maybe I throw it here. Yep, that is here. Nice. Good that I put it in box. just put it back this on top of this little bleeding wall. I don't need it anymore. Make sure you clean everything dry with rag.